easily understanding of long and short concept for the kids, I have taken some images and I have drawn on the board so that kids can easily understand the concept of long and short. Okay, and they can easily come to know the difference between the long and short. Okay, shall we start?
Okay, Mama.
See here, what is the first image Mama has taken? Snake. Very good. How the snake is? The snake is
Long.
very good. See? How about this second snake?
Second snake is short.
Short. Very good. Okay. What about the second image? Yeah.
Is short.
Short carrot.
Short cat.
Okay. What about the next carrot?
Next carrot is long.
Long carrot.
Long carrot.
Very good. Next. What about the third image?
Third image is tree.
Very good. The height of the tree is
Long.
long. What about this tree?
This tree is short.
Short. Very good. What about the fourth image? Flag. What?
Flag.
What is the height of the flag? First flag is long.
Long.
Very good. What about the height of the second flag? It is
Short.
short. Very good. Coming to fifth. What is this? Cupboard.
Cupboard. This is long cupboard.
Very good.
This is short cupboard.
Very good.
This is
Long ladder.
long ladder. This is short ladder.
Very good.
This is mm,
Long tower.
long tower.
Mm. This is
This is
short tower. Okay, Afi, you understood the concept of long and short now?
yes, Mama.
Long means lamba.
Lumber.
Yeah, short means
Long means lumber.
yeah, short means
Short means
chota.
chota.
Yeah, understood? Understood, Afi? Afi, I'll ask you questions now about long and short. Will you answer? See here, for these objects, you circle all the objects which are in long. Yeah, long. Okay, shall we start? Okay, see. What about the snake? You circle the long snake. Very good. Next,
Carrot. No place.
long carrot.
I'll try.
Okay. Next, long tree. Circle the long tree.
I can't. Okay. I will try. I will try. I will try.
This tree is long.
This tree is long.
Next, flag. What about the flag?
Yeah, yeah.
This flag is
This flag is
long.
long.
Very good. Next, cupboard.
Covered. This cupboard is long.
Very good. Next, ladder.
This ladder is long.
Okay. What about the tower? Which tower is long?
This tower. What's the tower?
Very good. Now you have circled all long things, na?
This,
You explain. What about the snake? This snake is
this snake is long.
very good.
This carrot is long.
This
tree is long. This flag is long.
this cupboard is
This cupboard is long.
very good.
This tower.
This ladder is
This ladder is long.
very
This
good.
tower is long.
Okay, Afi, you understood the concept of long now?
Yes, Mama.
Long means
Banana.
lamba. Very good. Understood, na? Long concept. Okay, Afi. Now you circle all the objects which are in short. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
Okay.
Short.
Start. Circle all the objects which are in short.
The snake is short.
Very good.
The carrot is
This
short.
carrot is short.
This carrot is short.
Very good.
This tree is short.
Very good. This tree is short.
Yeah.
Next. Flag. What about the flags? Which flag is long? Which flag is short? This flag is?
This flag is short.
Very good.
Flag is long.
Very good. This cupboard is?
This cupboard is long. This cupboard is short.
Very good. This ladder is?
This ladder is long. This ladder is short.
Very good. This ladder is short. What about the tower? Which tower is long? Which tower is short?
This tower is long. This tower is short.
Very good. This tower is short.
This tower is short.
Very good. You explain now.
This snake is short. This carrot is short. This tree is short. This flag is short.
This cupboard is?
This cupboard is short. This ladder is short.
This tower is?
This tower is short.
Okay, stand here now. You understood now the concept of what is long and what is short?
Yeah.
Long means?
Lamba.
Very good. Short means?
Chota.
Show with your hands.
Lamba.
Okay.
Chota. Chota.
Very good. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe